Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll talk about 5 ways in which I make money as a student. I'm making this video hoping that it might give you some inspiration as to how you could also earn some money on the side while studying. If this is something you're interested in, then keep watching, make sure you like this video and let's get right into it. So the first way I make money is by doing web design, content editing and doing the marketing strategy for a Romanian health website. The site is called servusexpert.ro. I helped make the website and I also installed all the necessary systems for the monetization of the blog. At the moment I'm maintaining the website and also working on the more general growth and marketing strategy of the business. I first started working on this website in 2018. It only started being profitable about 2 years later. At the moment I'm making 400 euros a month from it approximately. Ever since we started monetizing the site, this has been a very nice income monthly. It's something I'm working on constantly, but not very much. You can almost even call it passive income. Probably the most time-intensive activity I'm doing for this is when I get involved in the creation of social media content like Instagram posts and YouTube videos. Alright, so my second source of income is my part-time job as communications manager for an EU project on ecological awareness happening in Romania. I've been a communications manager for that project since November 2020. It amounts to an average of 500 euros a month. The work involved by this project was making the website as well as all the other social media channels. Like with the health website, I made this website in WordPress. For this project, we've got Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and more recently TikTok, which I'm experimenting with, and I think it could actually work pretty well on a project like this. Of course, if you want to check any of these projects out, I'll leave the links in the description below to everything that I'm doing and working on. As you can probably see, it's a lot of web design involved and graphic design and video making, and you might think that why did I go to university if I can make money doing this? But I would never have had any of these opportunities had I not actually done an internship during my year abroad and met the people working on these projects, and had I not studied languages, because in these projects I've got German-speaking partners and I have to be able to speak to them as well as create content in Romanian and English and German. So finally all my language learning is paying off economically as well. And in terms of the workload on this EU project, I'm working 10 hours a week. Right, my third source of income is the sporadic communications I'm doing for the Viennese Children's Theatre in Bucharest, so the Romanian branch of the theater where I worked in my year abroad. From time to time they've got really interesting events and they're asking me to help a bit with their email marketing and the social media marketing. It's not very constant, but this year I worked on 2 events, and if I spread the revenue from those 2 events to the entire year, it would amount to about 150 euros a month. I usually work about 20 hours for each event on this. On to my fourth source of income. I also work on marketing for an EU project consultancy in Berlin. I met the owner of the consultancy firm while working on the EU project and we got along really well. I had some ideas on how they could improve their own marketing as a consultancy company. This is quite recent, but it's quite a good collaboration and I'm making about 600 euros per month from this, from about 15 hours of work every week. The work consists of making presentation videos and making a social media plan and a broader marketing plan, as well as making and deploying Facebook ads and Google ads. I also want to get involved with making adjustments to the website and to the landing pages. They're actually crucial when you're thinking about marketing funnels. It's quite a lot of stuff to do and I'm quite excited about what we're going to do together with this consultancy company, which is linked down below if you want to check it out. And if you're into project management, EU projects, EU funding, then definitely check it out. I mean, they've got loads of great courses. I'm going to stop doing marketing for them now. Alright, on to my fifth and final source of income. It's quite laughable for now. It's what I'm making from this YouTube channel. I've been in the YouTube partner program for about a year and a half. I'm getting about 10,000 views a month, and this makes me incredible amount of 15 euros per month from AdSense. Also, I've done some collaborations this year. So in total, this YouTube channel is making me on average 55 euros a month. My work on the YouTube channel used to take up about 1 day of work, so about 8 to 10 hours in total of filming and editing a video every week. Now I'm very grateful to be able to work with an editor, so my work has been shrunk down significantly. I'm now just filming the videos, which takes me about 40 minutes to an hour. Depending on the video, it can also take up to 2 or 3 hours if I'm doing interviews with people on different days. It takes me another hour for each video to upload it and do the SEO optimization, the descriptions, the tags, the title, and also the thumbnail. That, including the marketing on social media, posting about the video on Instagram, takes about 1 hour to 1 hour and a half every week. It's a great relief that I'm actually able to work with a video editor. The videos are going to be more consistent, they're going to look better, also have a more consistent look and branding, and I'm very happy about this next stage in my YouTube process. Even if the YouTube thing is not making me so much money, I believe that investing in it right now is going to be crucial for its growth during the next year, and I've got great expectations for this YouTube channel. And hopefully when I'll be remaking this video next year, in 1 year's time, I'll be able to say that I'm making a lot more money from the YouTube channel than I'm making now. So all of those combined make me about 1,705 euros a month. Now that is not a negligible sum by any means. It's quite good considering that I'm working about 30 to 35 hours on all of these projects a week. As you can see, I'm trying to do things that fit well together with my skills in communication, marketing, languages, and web design and graphic design, video making, all the skills that I gathered over the years. I could have probably earned the same working in a cafe or in a bar, but what I'm trying to do is actually build my skills further and my contacts for my future career or my future business that this could be transformed into if it all fits together nicely. I really love the flexibility that working these kinds of jobs allows me. It also allows me to study at the same time as I'm in my final year of my master's degree. But most importantly, I'm really passionate about the projects that I'm working on. I really believe in each and every one of these projects and businesses, and that's why I really enjoy working on them. So apart from the monetary economic side, I really enjoy working on these projects. Another tip that I wanted to add to this video is that if you're a student, another great way of making some money is by studying and doing really well in your exams, because then you can get grants based on your performance in the exams. And that's how I made 6,800 euros this year based on my grades from last year, because I got a grant that basically covers half of my tuition fee for this year. So instead of paying almost 14,000 euros for the year, I'm just paying half of that. So even though this video is about how to make money as a student, at the end of the day, my advice would be make sure you allocate the time and the effort to your studies and to studying, because that's why you're there doing those studies at the university, to focus on them as well. Even if you've got a job or two on the side, make sure it doesn't take too much of your focus and concentration away, and make sure you're not just thinking about how to make more money, but also actually focus on your studies, because those are really important. And even if you don't see them paying off right now, in the long run, they will be totally worth it. That being said, I hope this video gave you some insights into how I make the money that I'm making and how you could make some more money as a student. Let me know down in the comments below what you're doing to make some money on the side of studying, and what you love about it, what you don't like about it. Let's create a little bit of a conversation down there in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm making videos about studying, productivity, and social sciences now and then. In the meantime, keep pursuing your goals, and I'll catch you in my next one.